Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Rory. That's R-O-R-I. My mom is this chick. My pops is that guy. Coming to you now from the land of aloha. Live the high life that's full of sunshine. If you ain't know, my big bro is a canine. And if you ain't already, like, comment, subscribe. So we are here at the hospital, gearing up to get this thing out. So, a little late birthday present for me, but I am ready. Christy has a little camera shy right now. She doesn't want to be on camera. This is it. It's go time. How do you feel?
Ready.
Little side profile.
Not the back, guys. Sorry.
she's wearing buttless chaps.
So apparently my water broke at work, and went to my doctor's appointment in the morning for the non-stress test that I have to do every 2 weeks since I have gestational diabetes, and mentioned that I had some fluid. And lo and behold, they're like, okay, we're bringing you over to triage now to get you assessed, and I'm admitted. So we're starting the process of delivery.
Yeah, so meanwhile, I was at home waiting on all the news and whatnot. She's like, oh, come on over. And I'm freaking out because her dad texts me like, hey, Christy's over here and at the hospital. I'm like, wait, did her phone die? Like, did I miss everything? So I flew over here, and we're here. We're ready. We're rocking. Whew. Doesn't seem real yet, but I am ready. Very, 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 very ready.
Eviction now.
How excited are you? Scale of 1 to 20.
25. I've been awake for a lot of hours already, and it's just beginning.
What do we got? We got all fancy equipment that Christy knows how to use, but I don't.
Actually, I don't.
I know how to use this thing. She smiled for that picture, but she's not having fun. She's not having fun at all. She's a trooper though. She's kicking some booty. Serious booty. Alright, I'll keep the camera off you now because I don't want to do that to you. But she's a trooper. We're kicking some butt. We're mid contraction, so I'm gonna go. But
Oh, don't spit it out.
Oh no.
Don't do it.
wrist. They don't want to, breaking out of the joint. In case she decides to run off. Yeah, just changed his first poopy diaper. No, I have not showered. I haven't really slept. But yeah, this is where we're at, guys. This is what it's all about. Hi there, Buttercup. Oh, yeah. All right, so the hospital provided us with dinner, a little couples thing here at the trying to give us some sense of togetherness and normalcy. We ended up getting some chicken and potatoes, all that other good jazz. But yeah, we're closing in on our first 24 hours as parents, and it is that is the headband for our daughter. Why are you wearing it?
Because it's stretchy and huge. You think this is gonna fit her head?
Definitely not now.
No.
Now that you stretched it all out. It's Daddy.